Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you creators and business owners out there. How to add a shop link to your TikTok bio in 2025. With TikTok's evolving features, this is a game changer for driving traffic straight to your products and boosting sales. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or running an online store, getting this set up is easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, search for TikTok, and update it to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have access to all the newest features. Once that's done, open the app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile, right at the top. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down in the Edit section until you see the Bio field. In 2025, TikTok has made it straightforward to add shop links. So look for a new option that says something like Add Shop Link or Connect Store. If you don't see it immediately, double check that your account is set up for business, go to Settings, then Account, and switch to a business or creator account if needed. Now, once you're in the right spot, tap on Add Shop Link. You'll be prompted to connect your shop. This could be linked to your TikTok shop, an external e-commerce site like Shopify, or even a direct product page. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and select your shop. TikTok might ask for some details, like your store URL or product categories, so have that info ready. After you've linked it up, hit Save at the top. TikTok will review the link quickly to make sure it's legit, usually takes just a minute or two. Once approved, your shop link will appear in your bio, ready for your followers to click and shop. A quick tip. Test the link yourself to ensure it works properly, and remember to make your bio engaging with a call to action like, Shop my latest deals. This feature can significantly increase your conversions, so use it wisely. There you have it, folks. Adding a shop link to your TikTok bio in 2025 is a simple way to grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.